You want some more? Give me your spoon. Put it on your spoon. Put it in your mouth. Oh, very good. Do you like that lychee? Yeah. Wait, Mommy has to give it to you, okay? Here you go. Oh, that's too big. Try again. Give me your spoon. Can I have your spoon? Here, open. Give Mommy your spoon. Okay, put it on your spoon. Put it in your mouth. Oh, yummy. Is that yummy? You eating lychee? Can I have your spoon? Give me your spoon. Okay. Yeah. Does that taste good? Does that taste good? Oh, I think so. There's nothing on there. Can I have your spoon? Can I have your spoon? Okay. Yeah. Yay, clap your hands. You don't want to clap your hands? Clap your hands. Oh, okay. Oh, more? Okay.